Multiply 379 by 859 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Put 1 in this column and carry 8. 9 times 7 plus the carried 8 is 71. Put 1 in this column and carry 7. 9 times 3 plus the carried 7 is 34. The first partial product is 3,411. Now use the tens digit, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 9 is 45. Put 5 in this column and carry 4. 5 times 7 plus the carried 4 is 39. Put 9 in this column and carry 3. 5 times 3 plus the carried 3 is 18. The second partial product is 18,950. Now use the hundreds digit, 8. Start two places to the left. 8 times 9 is 72. Put 2 in this column and carry 7. 8 times 7 plus the carried 7 is 63. Put 3 in this column and carry 6. 8 times 3 plus the carried 6 is 30. The third partial product is 303,200. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 1 plus 0 is 1. In the tens column, 1 plus 5 plus 0 is 6. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 9 plus 2 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus the carried 1 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 negative thousands column, 1 plus 0 plus the carried 1 is 2. In the hundred negative thousands column, bring down 3. The whole negative number product is 325,561, so 379 times 859 is 325,561.